show you guys. So this thing is straightened. You guys remember I posted pictures of it before. This was bent and this thing was messed up all around. So I had a guy straighten it out. It's really good with metal, so shout out to him. Did a really good job. So now I see I just got it in. Just threw some hooks on just to hold it in place. Now I don't want to do that because let's put this window frame on. So I gotta take it off here, put it on here. Then I'm gonna put this panel on. So it's gonna slowly start coming back together, but big emphasis on slowly. That's kind of how I've been working so far. 1 day on and 5 days off here. Too much other stuff going on. But anyway, yeah, here we go.
bound only by frozen memories.